Are you having a problem to verify your student account for free education license? Is it safe to upload your personal documents for the verification process? Autodesk has recently updated its educational policies and engaged with a third-party verification service provider to confirm whether individuals are eligible for educational access to Autodesk products or not. SureID provides eligibility verification for students, teachers, military personnel, and to their families. And in the end, I will give you a bonus tip. If you already have a student account and know how to create it, just skip directly to this point. Open your browser first and let's get started. After opening your browser, just type Autodesk Student version and click on the first link, Student and Education Software 1-year license. To unlock educational access to Autodesk products, click on Get Started. Here you have to click on Create Account and enter the details and click on I agree to Autodesk Terms of Use and click on Create Account. Now it will send you a verification email. Open your mail and click Verify Mail. And you will be prompted to set up your educational profile. Here enter the details, date of birth, country, and click on Next. Now here you have to enter your institution name, field of study, enroll date, and click on Next. And your account is set. Click on Continue. After creating, it will ask you to verify whether are you eligible for educational access to Autodesk products or not. Click on Get Started. Here it will ask you to verify your details, whether they are correct or not, and click on Verify. Here you have to upload your copy of documents which include school transcript, which means your marks memo, school issued confirmation letter, which can be your bona fide or joining report, student ID card. The document must include your full name, the name of the institution, and the enroll date. Now I am just uploading my school transcript, marks memo, whether it will verify or not, and submitting. It takes 20 minutes to verify. Check your mail for the next step. Here it shows additional information needed. So we have to upload all the 3 documents. Now I am uploading all the 3 documents scanned. Open, submit. Now open your mail. Here you can see congratulations. Now you have access to Autodesk products. Now go back to the site and sign in with your created account details and click on Stay Signed In to avoid signing in again and again. That's it. Here you can see your educational access to Autodesk products is valid through August 6, 2021. Now you can download multiple products, whatever version, whatever language. That's it. It's very simple. Now it's time for bonus tip. You have only 3 chances to upload your documents. After that you cannot submit for the verification process. So make sure your full name, educational details are matching with the documents submitted. Otherwise you have to create a new account with the information matching with your documents.